Welcome back, everyone. Randomly, Apple went out and pushed out this statement that essentially kind of says, if you do this, your iPhone may actually have a broken camera. It may affect your iPhone in some areas. And what this is kind of interesting. It's kind of random. So they say exposure to vibrations like those generated by high-powered motorcycle engines might impact iPhone cameras. Now, what does that mean? Well, they pretty much say throughout this whole entire thing that certain high amplitude vibrations, so things like the high power motorcycle engines and some other situations too, in my opinion, I don't know if this is the case, but with some crazy huge subwoofers, if there's a bunch of vibration you put your iPhone on top of or whatever the case is, even massage guns, if you're putting that on your iPhone, something like that, those type of examples, this could actually degrade the performance of the camera system. Now, I've never heard that quite said like this for the camera systems of iPhones. I've heard it said for displays, build quality, sometimes charging ports, buttons, and even battery, but I've never heard it for the cameras, but it kind of makes sense. So they pretty much say that sometimes in some conditions, the vibration that's going on can actually lead to the specific, picture being blurry, which most people say it's kind of common. But they also say that some iPhone cameras have the closed loop autofocus, which actually goes ahead and affects the gravity and the vibration in order for it to focus in, on the videos and panoramas and all that other stuff. But if there's a lot of vibration going on, this can actually go ahead and, cause some issues with that camera quality as well. Now, they go on to say that the high power or high volume motorcycle engines generate intense high amplitude vibrations, which are transmitted through chassis. You guys can go and read this. But essentially, if you don't want to, destroy the quality of your camera, especially if you have something like a 12 Pro, when the 13s come out on Tuesday, if you have a motorcycle, if you have a high volume motorcycle engine around you all the time, just do keep in mind that, if you're always next to these type of devices with your motorcycle engines or whatever, this can actually cause some, degradation for your specific camera. And maybe if it was supposed to last for 5 years or 6 years, it may go down to 2 years. Maybe you'll start seeing the quality of the camera go down by quite a bit. I've even kind of saw myself kind of not touching my camera module too much after I realized that this can go ahead and get, degraded over time as well. I understand if things, like the crack glass on it or something like that, but it's strange that a vibration motor can go ahead and affect the camera as well. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.